Alright, hello everyone. So let's, without wasting our time, let's get into our main topic. So let's go to search bar and type UIZARD. That is my mistake, UIZARD. Just hit enter and we will get this website. Okay, that is uizard.io. I will paste the link in the description box so you can go check it out. Now we have got these features from you can see. Okay, so they have launched a new feature, that is text to design automated by AI. That means you can generate designs, UI designs in just seconds by entering a prompt. So I am so excited. So let's sign up, or you can log in, and we will meet after entering the main page. Yeah, so we are inside our app. So I have generated some UI designs by using that feature, that is generate with auto designer. So let's see first. Okay, let's try it out. Actually, let's try it out. So just click on here, generate with auto designer. So we got this page. Okay, so you can design three types of design, that is mobile designs for mobile screen, for tablet screen, and for web page. So yeah, here you have to enter a prompt, like what kind of app you want. So here we have got an example, a social media app for gamers. That's a cool idea. And you can describe a design style or any keyword you can enter, like we want to make this social media like Facebook but in purple color. So let's, okay, and you can click here, you can these what kind of designs you want. So let's click formal and corporate. Let's make it dark and modern, artsy, techy. Yeah, so we have selected this. We are generating a web page. Okay, now let's click on generate. So it will take some time to generate. So let's meet after it generates the UI. Yeah, so as you can see, we have got the generator UI designs what we have entered. As you can see, it has generated 1 to 5 pages. Okay, so let's check it out. Yeah, here we have given two options, that is generate another and regenerate. So if you want to generate some other designs by entering prompt, you can click here. If you want to regenerate this website, if you don't like this UI design, you can regenerate by the same prompt. So let's check it out, what kind of designs we have got. So we have got a login screen. Okay, let's preview this. Yeah, so we have got this sign up button. As you can see, this is very cool. We have got this form where you can enter your name, email, and other details. You have given a button to join, so just click on join. So we are in the home page, and yeah, this is very cool. You can search people from here. There are profiles here, and yeah, so we have given this discover gamers. So actually let's see the screen, all screens what it has generated. So we have got this sign up screen. After that we have got this home page. There are 4 buttons in the left side, and we have got this discover gamers, like according to the niche you can get the pupils according to their niche, the gamers according to their niche, like games for kids, classic games, and this is very cool. It also gives you ideas about what features you can add here. And we have given a search bar where you can search pupils. Yeah, and you have given here home page. Okay, here there is news button, discover button, search button, and profile button. Yeah, so this is very cool. and we have this profile button where you can see the profile of yourself. Yeah, so this is very cool, right? So let's go into our main home page. Okay, so there are many features we have got here. There are UIs or templates. You can add these templates in your web page if you want to edit something from here. If you want to add some another page, you can use these templates. And we have got this my templates, so I don't have anything right now. Okay, you can add card, content, dialogue, footer, form, etc. Now we have got this shape. You can add some shape here. We have got text. You can change that font from here. Images, if you want to add some images, we have got this text to image. Like you just have to enter prompt and it will automatically generate an image. So let's generate an image of gamer. Okay, now go and generate image. Yeah, so as you can see, the images are cool, so you can drag and drop there in your websites if you want to add it. Okay, now we have some icons button. You can add any kind of icon. You can search here and add it. And now we have a button, type of button, what it has used in this website. And yeah, there is a form thing and there is a magic. So in magic there are lots of things here. We have a auto designer, we already use a wireframe scanner. So in this let me tell you in brief, what you have to do, you just have to draw a wireframe, hand drawn sketch, and scan it and upload the image here. It will automatically generate an UI designs according to that wireframe. And there is some screenshot scanner, like screenshot the app designs from mobile or from laptop, upload here, and you can actually edit that design. So I am going to show this feature in next video because this video will be very long. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can use. You can similarly you can generate videos for mobile and tablet screens. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will thank you so much for watching this video, and I am going to upload daily videos of new AI tools. I am going to tell you about how to use this generative AIs. I am going to tell you about new AI tools which introduce daily, and I am also going to tell you about generative AI, prompt engineering, how to use prompt to make your life better. So yeah, I'm going to upload AI videos daily. So be updated. Please subscribe this channel, and bye bye. See you next time in next video.